In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert anchor links in HubSpot. We'll walk through this quick and easy tutorial on setting up intra-page jump links for your blogs, website pages, landing pages, or knowledge articles. First, let's dive into adding the anchor, which is essentially the target spot where you want your viewers to be directed. Open the editor within HubSpot for the specific page, blog, or knowledge article you're working on. Once you're there, find a rich text module. This is where you'll decide where your visitors will jump to. You'll notice the toolbar above. Click on Insert, then select Anchor. Here, you'll be prompted to give your anchor a name. It's essential to begin this name with a letter, and you have the freedom to use any combination of letters, numbers, hyphens, underscores, colons, or periods. This will be your identifier, like pricing section. Once you've named your anchor, you'll spot a little blue anchor icon in the editor. This is your jump point marker. Moving on, let's create the jump link to direct your visitors effortlessly. If you're linking from within the same page, the process is straightforward. Simply highlight the text or button where you want to add your link. Then, look for the link icon in your toolbar and choose Anchor on this page. When the options appear, select your anchor name from the list and press Insert. And voila, the link is active and ready to be tested. If you're linking from a different page, it's just a slight variation. First, highlight your chosen text or button, click on the link icon, and select the URL option. Here, you'll enter the full URL that includes the anchor name. This looks something like https:/site.com/landing/pricing section. This way, when someone clicks on the link, they'll be taken to the exact point on the correct page. Lastly, let's talk about adding this anchor link to a button module, which is an optional but powerful way to further enhance navigation. Drag the button module into your layout where it suits best. Now, focus on the URL field of this button. If the link leads within the same page, simply type "net anchor name." Conversely, if it's from another page, ensure you input the complete URL along with "net anchor name." Once this setup is done, clicking the button will smoothly scroll your visitor straight to your important section. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively guide user interaction and improve navigation on your HubSpot pages. Setting up anchor links can significantly enhance the user experience on your site, making it both engaging and intuitive. Thank you for watching, and make sure to put these tips into practice on your HubSpot projects.